Hi everybody, today we are going to see about floppy disk. Floppy disk store digital data which can be read and written when the disk is inserted into the floppy disk drive. This is a 8-inch floppy disk drive. This is a 5.25 floppy disk drive. This is a 3.5-inch floppy disk. A floppy disk or floppy diskette is a type of disk storage composed of thin and flexible disk of magnetic storage medium in a square or plastic enclosure lined with a fabric that removes dust particles from the spinning disk. Now you can see this is a floppy disk. I am going to open this floppy disk. This is a read write button that is available in the floppy disk. If you close this, it will read and write. If you open this, it will only read. So this is a read write button. You can see here, this is the magnetic storage which will be rotating. Now I am going to open this floppy disk and will show you all the parts inside this floppy disk. We'll open this. We will be opening the plastic enclosure. I am opening the plastic enclosure. This is the fabric which removes the dust particles. This is the magnetic storage medium which records all the information. Now let us remove the fabric and see what is inside. This is the fabric which removes the dust particles. These are the parts which we have removed from this floppy disk. Now let us remove the other fabric and see what is inside in that fabric. There will be a small plastic which is attached to the plastic enclosure. You can see here. Now let us fix all things back: the fabric, the magnetic medium, and the plastic enclosure. Thank you.